Hello students, welcome to another beautiful day of class. Today is Wednesday, August the 12th, 2020, and in our reading class, today we are not going to read. Today we are going to make something different. We are going to work with some daily conversations, so we're going to practice just that. Today we are not going to read with our books, but we are going to read those dialogues. So please go with me and we're going to read what I have here. Okay, so here I have the first one. So while we were doing that was that one student is going to be a student A and another student is going to be a student B. So this is a per exercise, but I'm going to read it, so you're going to repeat it at home. The student A is going to say, "Hello, my name is Miley. How are you?" And then the student B is going to say, "Hello, Miley. I'm fine, thanks. And you?" The student A, "I'm fine, thanks. Nice to meet you." And the name of the student B. Then the student B, "Nice to meet you too." And the student A, "How old are you?" And the student B is going to answer, "I am 9 years old." Or the years that you have. Then, where do you study, Miley? I'm a third grade student of Alfonso Nilsson Christian School. And the student A is going to say, "That sounds great." And student B, "What about you?" The student A, "I am a student also, but from another school." And the student B is going to answer, "At what time do you get up in the morning?" So you're going to answer, "Every day I get up at 6 o'clock." Student B, "So you are an early bird. It was a pleasure to talk with you. See you." And then the student A is going to say, "It was a pleasure too. Bye." And that was everything that you have to do today in your reading class. I hope you understood very well what you are going to do. Those conversations are just for you to practice. See you until the next class. Please keep safe at home. Blessings from the Lord. Hugs and kisses. Bye.